Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you're into, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Kayali's latest fragrance release, which is called Yum Boujee Marshmallow. So I did pick up this 10 ml bottle, which I love that their 10 mls are sprayers and not like dabbers or roll-ons. This does retail for $32, but they also have a travel size. I'll pop a picture right there. That one's also in a sprayer and it retails for $29. Now the fragrance also comes in a 50 ml for $100, and then you can get a 100 ml for $138. So I did pick mine up from Sephora.com. I ordered it the minute that it launched on the site, but you could also order this on hudabeauty.com and the prices are the same on both. I do love that with most of Kayali's fragrances, we're able to get it in the same bottle that the larger size comes in with the diamond cap. It's just such an added luxe touch. So you can get the full experience, including packaging of the fragrance, but at a cheaper cost. This is the outer box that it came in. I love that the color corresponds with the beautiful pink shade that the bottle is, and I do really like the raised decal on the front. Yum Boujee Marshmallow is categorized as a sweet vanilla fragrance, and it is gourmand or food-like for sure. Let me refresh myself on the opening. When you first spray it, you get whipped cream and strawberries. It does smell marshmallow-like, sort of powdery. You know how marshmallow is like sweet and yummy and a little powdery? You do get that too. Just a fun, fluffy, creamy smelling fragrance. It's giving yummy. It's been on my skin for about 6 or 8 hours already, and it has died down quite a bit, but I can still smell it and others can smell it around me. And it's just pretty much the same. It doesn't really develop into anything different. I still get that sweet, creamy, almost like whipped cream, marshmallowy strawberry. It really does give like a creamy strawberry milkshake with marshmallows on top, exactly the way they marketed the perfume. This fragrance does open up with freesia, nectarine, blossom, Indian lemon, and apple. In the mid, we have strawberry, marshmallow, coconut, orange blossom. And the base notes is whipped cream, sugar, vanilla, musk, raspberry, and ambroxan. And it is giving fruity and sugary sweet. If I was to describe the perfume in 4 words, it would be casual, girly, fun, and creamy. So sweet and good. I happen to like gourmand-like fragrances. So with that being said, I would say that Yum Boujee would be perfect for a 10-year-old girl all the way up to really any age, depending if you like these really sweet, milkshake, fruity type of perfumes. This is a type of perfume that I would wear on a casual date, to the mall, to run errands or something like that, and maybe even to wear to bed. This is sweater dress and a casual flat boot. This is jeans and a sweater in the wintertime, and this is denim shorts and t-shirt in the summer. Because for me, this is a year-round perfume. It's warm and comforting enough to wear in the winter, but then it's fun, flirty, and bright enough to wear in the spring and summer months as well. But for me, this isn't a perfume that I would wear on like a sexy date night. This is casual daytime for me. Now, this perfume is not a super beast mode, extra strong perfume. I had to spray it quite a few times to really get a gist of the scent, and it gave like a light to moderate type of projection on my skin. It gave about moderate on top of clothes. I got about 3 hours on my skin before it started to sort of wear down a little bit. At about 6 to 8 hours, it is soft, but I could still smell it on my skin. Definitely could still smell it in my clothes, and others could smell it around me. When they first started marketing the perfume on social media and I saw the imagery of milkshakes and marshmallows, I thought of a few perfumes that I pulled out. First, I thought about Kilian's Princess, because this one has that prominent marshmallow note that's like that really sweet, creamy, a little powdery, almost bubblegummy, candy-ish in a scent, which I really love. And I thought about this, and it's different from this. It's not as bubblegummy and marshmallow forward as Princess by Kilian, but you definitely still get the marshmallow in this. It's just not as strong of a marshmallow as Princess is. I also thought about Burberry Her Elixir, you guys, because this is sort of a strawberry milkshake type of perfume. It has different fruit notes in it, but strawberry is the strongest fruit note in here, and it's creamy and a little lactonic. But this is so much different from Yum Boujee because Burberry Her Elixir has quite a bit of musk in here. So you almost get like strawberry milkshake with equal amount of musk. And I get little to really no musk in the Yum Boujee marshmallow. And the strawberry note in Yum Boujee is like a sugary sweet strawberry. And the strawberry or the fruit notes in the Burberry Her Elixir is almost giving like tart strawberry a little bit. I also thought about the original Yara Lataffa by Lataffa because people also say this gives like strawberry milkshake. This is quite different because you get quite a bit of musk in here, not as much musk as you get from the Burberry Her Elixir, but there's definitely musk in here that is not in the Yum Boujee. And this one is quite ambery, and there's not as much strawberry, as it's not as strawberry forward as this is strawberry forward. So this is a little bit more sexy and moody because of that amber in here. I could wear this like date night a little bit, like daytime or date night, whereas to me this one is a lot more bright and casual. So the one I would say that it smells most like is actually from Bath and Body Works. This is Strawberry Snowflakes from Bath and Body Works. This is actually AJ's. So when I first smelled the Kayali Yum Boujee, I asked her, you know, what does this smell like to you? She immediately, with no hesitation, said, it smells like my Strawberry Snowflakes from Bath and Body Works, so I had to compare it. And when I first sprayed it, it was quite different. The biggest difference that AJ and I could tell is the Kayali Yum Boujee Marshmallow is a lot thicker and creamier, almost like that whipped cream note is creamier and more decadent. The Strawberry Snowflakes, almost especially on initial spray, smells like it could be like a watered down version of the Kayali Yum Boujee. And especially when you first spray it, it gives kind of cheap, like it gives kind of alcohol-y, whereas with the Kayali Yum, you never get that in this. Immediately first spray in the air, on your skin, on clothes, it gives like creamy, yummy, edible strawberry milkshake. You get marshmallows, a little powdery. This one is kind of like on first spray, it's like, you know what I mean? Like a little alcohol-y, a little medicinal, a little more watered down, but they start to smell alike after about, 10, 20 minutes or so. So I have Kayali on this arm. And Bath and Body Works, it definitely smells like a lot more watered down. It's not the same. This smells like it could be, if you wanted a much cheaper version of this, not as smooth, not as refined, than Strawberry Snowflakes, you could go for this. But I feel like most grown women would probably prefer the Kayali Yum Boujee than the Strawberry Snowflakes from Bath and Body Works. Layered together, they're probably awesome. You could probably get a little bit more longevity with it. The way I would wear it though, I would take my vanilla musk oil from Namat. This is one of my favorite fragrance oils. It smells like a vanilla with a moderate amount of musk, but it's just sweet, it's yummy, it's sexy. It's a grown woman, grown up, sort of moody vanilla that works well with any fragrance in your collection that may have vanilla or maybe a gourmand. Perfect for the wintertime, but year round is when I wear that one. But I would wear these two together because it would just give it more of a sexy mood. And then also the Lataffa Yara, these two together would be amazing. Like a lot of these notes are in here as well. I think they would be great together. And also Princess. These two together, you have that strong marshmallow note that just, the cloud this leaves around you is just, I love it. These two together would be great. So comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Kayali's latest fragrance, Yum Boujee Marshmallow 81. What do you guys think about it? I'll have the perfume linked right there on the screen. You could hit that YouTube shopping tab to check it out. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the sky.